welcome to my kitchen. Just a very quick question. Do you like carrots? And how about carrots in your cake? Have you ever tried it? I have a recipe which is great. We're going to bake a cake today with carrots, walnuts, and cinnamon, which is a very key ingredient. It's actually a very special day today. It's my son's birthday. And funny enough, he asked me to bake the carrot cake instead of a birthday cake. So I couldn't say no. If you're curious about this cake, why don't you just continue watching my video? I'm just going to get myself ready. You're not expecting me to cook with this long hair. So give me five minutes and you go through the ingredients and get them ready so that we can bake together. See you in a minute. We have 2 carrots, 3 eggs, 1 apple, a little bit of cinnamon, walnuts, raisins, sugar, sunflower oil, milk, baking powder, and vanilla sugar, and obviously flour. The exact amounts you can find in the list of the ingredients. Now I need to get ready, and what I like to do for my videos is to prepare everything beforehand so that I just need to get everything together, which takes about 2 minutes. So now when you are getting ready to get your ingredients together, I'm going to be peeling my carrots, apple, and then I'm going to be grinding the walnuts and sifting the flour. So let me do that and I'll see you in a minute. For the carrots, I use this side of the grater. So you want it really fine, like this. You don't want the big chunks. And for the apple, we're going to use the big teeth of the grater. Our apples are grated as well. Welcome back. We are ready to start baking, but the first thing we need to do is to get our oven ready. I already started preheating my oven at 180 degrees. So let's get started. I'll start by putting the eggs, 3 eggs. First, I'm going to beat 3 eggs. So I got my mixer. I'll start with the mild degree, let's say. Then I'm going to add the sugar and continue mixing. You can see that the color of the eggs and the sugar has changed. The sugar has melted in the eggs. So what we're going to do is put everything in there, just like that. There's no order. You can just put the oils. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any other vegetable oil. I'm going to be putting my vanilla sugar and baking powder. The carrots, the apples. Well, there's actually only 1 apple in there. The cinnamon. Now I'm going to add a handful of raisins that are pre-washed. As I said, if you don't like them, you don't have to put it. This is optional. And then I'm going to put the crushed walnuts. Now we're going to mix everything everything together except for the flour. We're going to wait for that. Since I don't want everything to go everywhere, I start with a very mild level. So it's 2. Well, actually, first I just roughly, without starting my mixer, I'm just going to mix, because otherwise the cinnamon will be flying all over. And you don't want that. So why don't we start now? Now we're going to add the flour. And I'm going to do it little by little. I don't want to put all of the flour at once, because the amount of the flour that we're going to use might be different depending on whether you put apple or not. So I'll start with a little amount and then continue gradually. The same thing, we don't want the flour go all over, so I just roughly mix it so that I don't have any flour dust everywhere. Okay, see, I don't even have to start my mixer. You can see that I need more flour. Let's do that. The consistency of the cake will be quite moist. You can see a very runny consistency. This is what we are trying to achieve. This is going to make the cake quite moist and soft. So you don't want to put too much flour, then it becomes really thick and heavy. So this is ready. Now let's get our mold ready. You can use any type of mold. I put the mixture in the mold, and it's time to put the cake in the oven. I had been preheating my oven at 180 degrees. So now I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll see you in 30 minutes. There's 1 minute left for our 30 minutes to be over. Don't forget that the cake is going to have a very moist texture, so you don't want to overcook it. So I'm just going to check it, and it's very easy to check actually. I'm just going to use a knife and then open the oven. Oh, the color is beautiful. And I'm just going to roughly put the knife in there, take it out. See? There's still a little bit of runny mixture on it, so I'm going to add another 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. I added 5 more minutes. I am anxiously waiting for that 1 minute to be over so that I can open the oven and show the result to you. Woohoo, it's ready. Let's open the oven. Oh, the color is so nice. Look at that. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, let's take it out. I'm gonna let this cool down for a while. I just took the cake out of the oven. Are you ready to see it? You're gonna be amazed. It's so beautiful. Let's see together. Doesn't it look nice? So this is our cake. I don't want it to fall, but It is beautiful. The color is very nice, and the smell is extraordinary. I hope you guys like my video, and I also hope that you make it one day and enjoy the beautiful presentation and also the great taste of it. So, and in the meantime, don't forget to like my videos and press that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell as well so that you can be notified about upcoming videos. Tonight, we're going to be celebrating my son's 13th birthday, and he's going to be very happy with the outcome. So yeah, enjoy your birthdays, special days, even though we are confined at our homes. I see you next time with a lovely recipe. Bye-bye.